Burping a baby can feel like an art form, but it's all about technique. First, hold your little one against your chest, supporting their head and neck. Gently pat or rub their back in a circular motion. If that doesn't work, try sitting them on your lap, leaning them slightly forward, and giving a few firm pats. Remember, patience is key. Sometimes it takes a minute for that bubble to rise. And don't forget to keep a burp cloth handy. Spit up happens. With these tips, you'll be on your way to gas-free nights and a happier baby.